Alright, let's get this show on the road. Deep breaths. I've done this a million times before, but for some reason, today feels different. Maybe it's the new place, maybe it's just one of those days. You know the ones. Everything feels a little heavier, a little more fragile. Look at my hands, a little shaky, aren't they? It's just wax. It's just a little bit of hair. Why does it feel like I'm about to defuse a bomb? I remember the last time. Oh boy, do I remember? It was one of those cheap, rushed jobs where you feel more like a number than a person. The sting, the redness, the little bumps that lasted for days. I swore I'd never do it again, but here I am, back in the saddle. It's funny how we convince ourselves to face things we'd rather run from. You've got this, I keep telling myself. It's a few moments of discomfort for weeks of smoothness. You're stronger than this, but am I? Today, I'm not so sure. The wax feels warm as it spreads across my skin. It's a strange sensation, like a temporary blanket of heat before the inevitable. I'm watching her every move, the way she presses the strip down, smoothing it out with professional ease. It's all so methodical, so calm. It's a stark contrast to the absolute chaos happening inside my chest. My heart is pounding, a frantic drumbeat against my ribs. Here it comes. The point of no return. 1, 2, and then, it happens. The pull, it's sharp, it's fast, and it's not just pain. A wave of something else crashes over me. My eyes instantly well up, hot and fast. A tear escapes, tracing a path down my cheek before I can even process what's happening. I'm shocked. I'm not a crier, especially not over something like this. But here I am, a single tear turning into a silent stream. I didn't expect it to hit me this hard. It's more than just the physical sting. It's like the rip of the wax strip tore open something I'd been keeping under lock and key. The stress from work, that argument I had last week, the feeling of being overwhelmed, the quiet loneliness that sometimes creeps in at night. It all came rushing to the surface in that one, single, fiery moment. It wasn't just the pain of the wax, it was everything I'd been holding in. All the little hurts and anxieties I'd been bottling up for who knows how long. It's like a movie montage flashing before my eyes. A deadline I barely met, a text message left unanswered, a moment I felt completely and utterly alone. All these tiny fractures in my composure, all the times I told myself to just get over it and be strong. The pressure to always be okay, to always have it together. In that moment, the dam just broke. It's funny, isn't it, how a simple beauty treatment can turn into an impromptu therapy session. As she gets ready for the next strip, I take another deep breath. This time, it's different. I'm not bracing for pain anymore. I'm just letting go. She pulls the second strip. And you know what? It's still a sting, but it's manageable. The shock is gone, replaced by a strange sense of clarity. It's actually not as bad as I thought. Or maybe, the first tear released the pressure valve, and now there's room to breathe again. Room to just feel the sensation for what it is, without all the emotional baggage attached. And just like that, it's over. I run my hand over my skin. It's perfectly smooth. But the smoothness isn't what I'm focused on. It's the release. That's the real result. A quiet smile spreads across my face, a genuine one. It feels like I've shed more than just hair. I've shed a weight I didn't even fully realize I was carrying. Sometimes it's not about the wax. It's about what it releases. It's about giving yourself permission to feel, to break a little, so you can put yourself back together, stronger. Looking in the mirror now, my eyes are still a little puffy, but they're clear. I wipe away the last tear, not with shame, but with a sense of gratitude. It's a reminder that strength isn't always about being tough and unshakable. It isn't loud or boastful. Sometimes, strength is silent. It's in the tears we allow ourselves to cry, the vulnerability we allow ourselves to show. It's in the quiet moments of picking ourselves up after we fall apart, even just for a second on a waxing table. I take one last deep breath, a full, cleansing breath that fills my lungs completely. The light seems to catch my skin, making it glow. I feel lighter, I feel renewed, and I feel strong. Truly strong. Thank you so much for sharing this really personal moment with me. It means a lot. If you've ever found strength in your tears or had an unexpectedly emotional moment, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Let's create a space where it's okay to not be okay. And if this resonated with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more real, honest content. See you in the next one.